Happy New Year, guys. If you're watching this video, then we made it through 2020, so you're welcome to 2021. MC Smart Homes is excited to welcome you to this very first video on the channel in 2021. We promise to bring you beautiful and innovative videos on smart home gadgets. If this is your first time on the channel, please do well to subscribe, comment, share, like, and don't forget to click on the notification button so you have instant updates every time we have a new video. On today's video, we'll be doing the review of the Xiaomi microwave. We'll be looking at what features this appliance has. We'll be looking at what it looks like. We'll also be looking at what makes this appliance stand out. So let's check it out. So this is what the device looks like, and from just a viewpoint on a very physical level, it looks beautiful and nice. This is the front panel. Usually in other devices it's just glass. It's partially see-through, but it looks beautiful. It has this knob, so it's both a knob and a button because you can turn it, but you can also press. And it has the door opener, so this will open the door, and this is what it looks like inside. It looks beautiful and nice. It has the logo inside and it looks beautiful. It has the codes for the Mi Home app and also a user manual code. The hard copy comes inside the box, but it's in Chinese, and even this this code would give you a version of the manual still in Chinese. This one is for fast heat. This knob you use to increase or decrease the length of time you want to microwave, and this is the start or the stop button. So let's go and power it on and see what functions this device has. And so this is it. This is the display panel. It indicates Wi-Fi, however you call it. And so I have this connected to Wi-Fi already, so I'll be working from that premise. So this is the settings for the microwave in the Mi Home app. It has one really exciting feature here which I like. It has the child lock. So the child lock would make this device irresponsive. So you can open the door, but no setting would go. So if I take child lock, so you see it indicates on the display here that it's locked. So you see nothing works. You turn the knob, nothing works. You can open the door, it's very manual, but nothing works, nothing else works. If I disable it, it comes back and you have your display. You can do that. Oh, it has really a very nice sound. Turn that off. What it does, so I'll take you through its interface on the Mi Home app. This is for the microwave oven. So it says I have paused what was going on, and it has defrost. And if I go under defrost, it has different presets. So this is what it is. So here are different presets too. So you see this is a preset which, if you look through the manual, you see exactly what this preset is for. So on the defrost, it has meat, which is D1. This is D1. So if you want to defrost meat, this is D1. This is the preset you use. Seafood, poultry, and whatever. So you can go down to defrost settings to choose what weight of meat you're trying to defrost. You choose the weight, and by the weight it would calculate how long it would take to defrost the meat. So you can you can start the process, and that's how that goes. This is the recipe. So it has roasted potato, popcorn, chicken wings. You have, so these are desserts, steam and boil. It has baby recipe. So if you're trying to do any of these things that are in the recipe, you just pick, you just select how much weight what you're doing is, and it determines how long it's going to take. So after using this appliance for a while, if you want to sterilize it, you just choose this preset, and it has sterilization time, which is predetermined. If you're trying to sterilize baby's feeding bottle, disinfect it, you just choose it, and then it goes. And you can also schedule. So you schedule what time you want this thing to happen. So you choose what time it is you want to happen. Let's say now, anytime you want this to happen, you say okay, you start. And so you see, when it's doing that, it comes up on your screen, and it shows you how long it's going to take to complete. You can pause it from your phone, or you can stop. So I stop. It stops. Or it has an automation which you can set so that once it's done microwaving, it can do just about anything. So if you take automations, I have a few automations set. So I have this automation set that when cooking is complete, it should change the brightness of my bulb. So if I'm sitting in the parlor and cooking is complete and I don't hear the sound, my light bulb will change in color to indicate that a process is complete. So I would heat up this milk, and I see what happens. So up to 2 minutes, and so let's see what happens. So you see, it has that indication that it does, and the temperature of my bulb has changed. I'm sure you've noticed the difference in the lighting right now, and that is a result of this process being completed. Ooh, and this is hot. So these are the features of this appliance I have been able to notice in my short time of using. It's not very loud in my view because I've not used it for a very long time, but I think this is really cool and a beautiful appliance to have in your kitchen. It gives some beauty to your kitchen, and it's very practical in its use. So I would like to hear your comments, what you think, or what you'd want me to experiment on this appliance, and just leave a comment on the comment section, and I'll see you in the next video.